Hello, my name is Olaf Molenveld. I'm one of the founders of Magnetic.io. We're building VAMP, the Canary test and release platform for microservices and containers. We're here in Amsterdam. It's sunny today, very luckily. And today I wanted to quickly explain to you what Canary releasing and testing actually is. I have these two tape rolls, which we call microservices in this video. And I'm just going to show you what VAMP enables you to do. So let's say this is our first service, 1.0. It's the first iteration of our fantastically new website. That's it. I deploy it in a container. It's running in production. Everything is fine and dandy. Visitors are coming in. Everybody's looking at my new website. Oh, something's wrong. We have a bug in our website. So, our developers start working on a new version very quickly because they're using all the kinds of modern tooling, continuous integration tools, and voila, they have built a new container, this one. It's a new and improved one, 1.1 version. So, normally what you would do, you would take out the old one, upgrade it, put it back. There's some downtime, maybe you have to do some DNS rerouting, all kinds of tricky and manual stuff. So what does VAMP enable you to do? You put it in a container, you tell VAMP that you want to put it in production, VAMP puts it next to the old one, but there's no visitors coming here. So everybody's still going to the old one, the buggy one. Now you grab a slider in VAMP or you post it to our REST API and you tell them 2% of our visitors need to go to this new version because we want to make sure that the bug is actually fixed and works better. So VAMP starts redirecting 2% of your traffic to the new one, while 98% of your visitors go to the old one. And now you can gently start testing, seeing if the new one is better. If it's not, you simply drag the slider back and 100% goes to the old version again. No harm done. If it is better, you simply increase the traffic gently, still measuring, controlling everything, seeing if it works under load. You can scale it up, make it bigger, because more visitors are coming in. You can even automate this with VAMP if you would like to. And then after a while, 100% of your visitors are landing on a new version. And then this service is basically drained. VAMP makes sure that all the visitors' time to live, sticky sessions, etc. are taken care of. And then if the visitors are all drained away, you can remove this one out of your operation and a new one is live. So instead of replacing things, putting them out, putting them back, you actually make new things and do these kinds of movements. This is Canary testing to make sure that it works, maybe your business case validation or your technical validation. Canary releasing is ramping it up until you're completely over to the new version and you're fine.
How does this compare to other products or technologies that do something similar?
Yeah, there's tools like Visual Website Optimizer and Optimizely, which are very common, being used mainly by marketeers, business departments, because it enables them to do A/B testing without technical involvement. They only provide A/B testing on the content layer, on the presentation layer, so you can change your presentations. VAMP enables you to A/B test everything, the entire stack. Inside these containers can be front ends, so you can A/B test your front end, but there can also be configuration changes, maybe settings, memory settings, business logic, maybe different queries or entire checkout flows. Maybe you want to split off 5% of your visitors to a new checkout flow, maybe on a different cloud even, and see how it performs. So it gives you the possibility of testing out entirely different technical stacks.
How does this compare to Kubernetes and Marathon?
Kubernetes and Marathon, they have some basic feature set for load balancing, mainly to cluster the number of spun up containers, like number of instances. but it's really for clustering containers and exposing them to the outside world. If you want to do the stuff that we do, like I want to expose 5% of my visitors using browser type Chrome and IP range Netherlands, you still need to program this yourself into your load balancer software. And VAMP orchestrates all these layers. So container orchestration, load balancing, programming, and measuring the metrics and acting upon them. So instead of like a pipeline where you constantly change and deploy, we orchestrate this and make it into a continuous improvement loop. So basically, I think we blur the boundary between continuous delivery or deployment and application ops, where you manage the application.
And all of this is open source?
It's all open source, Apache 2.0 licensed. You can download it from vamp.io and play around with it. We have a quick start, which gives you everything you need in one simple Docker container. And yeah, it's documented, APIs are there, there's a graphical UI, which is open source also, command line interface, ready to play around with.
Thank you.
You're welcome.